Hurricane season has officially started in the Atlantic, and forecasters expect the season to be a busy one.
Fox 44's meteorologist Haley Fitzpatrick shows us what to expect this season in this week's WeatherWise.
Between June 1st and November 30th, hurricane season fires off, peaking between late August and mid-September. The Atlantic becomes a meteorological mixing bowl with all ingredients conducive for hurricane formation. Forecasters at the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or what we nickname NOAA, released their predictions calling for a 65% chance of above-average hurricane activity, which makes it the 7th consecutive year of an above-average hurricane season. NOAA is forecasting a likely range of 14 to 21 named storms this year, with 6 to 10 of those becoming hurricanes with sustained wind speeds of 74 miles per hour or higher. That also includes 3 to 6 major hurricanes, Category 3 or higher. Last year, there were 21 named storms, 7 of which became hurricanes, and out of those 7, 4 were major hurricanes. The increased activity anticipated for this season is due to many climate factors, but the one thing to note, it's looking more likely will include a La Nina pattern this summer, which brings warmer than average sea surface temperatures to the Atlantic basin, including the Gulf of Mexico and Caribbean Sea. Last year in the Gulf, we saw a Category 4 Hurricane Ida that slammed into Louisiana's Gulf Coast. Hurricane Grace reached Category 3 status but stayed far to our south. Over in the Atlantic basin, trailed a few hurricanes and tropical storms from the east, in which most held up but stayed off the east coast. The way in which climate change impacts the strength and frequency of tropical cyclones is something that we meteorologists continue to study. The outlook produced is for the overall hurricane season and is not a landfall forecast. Having an early start to the season does not indicate less or more tropical activity. Being prepared and gathering a plan together is the best plan of action to protect life and property. As always, if you have any questions about this hurricane season or weather-related questions, send them to me through social media or you can email them to me. Your question may just be featured on our next WeatherWise segment. In the studio, I'm meteorologist Haley Fitzpatrick, Fox 44 News.